Well, hello, check this out. How cool is this? I am here to share with you a few hints, tips, and tricks on how to hang a poster using this hardware. All right, let's hop right into this, shall we? Step number one, you're gonna want to mount the poster on the bottom rail and then the top rail. It kind of sandwiches in. Then at that point, you're probably gonna have someone hold it up so you can ballpark where you want to drill these two holes. Or rather, there are two holes there, 1, 2, and then the other one looks exactly like that. And then once you mount those, you are able to thread a cable through. Now this does come with one long cable, which we had to cut in half so that we could allocate one there and then one there. Do keep in mind that once you thread this cable one way through this little contraption, it grips it, kind of like a zip tie. So you're committing once you push it into there. In the same way that once you push it into this end also, you are committing and it's pretty much stuck in there for good. But do keep in mind, you can still adjust it. If you were to push this all the way through, it does actually come out the other end. So if you have some wire cutters that you can reach in the top and cut off the excess, if you have to push more through, you can do just that. All right, and so also these mounts that are actually attached to the back of the rail, these do slide back and forth. So those are fairly easy to adjust. What we did is we positioned these 8¼ inch from each side, 8¼ there, and then 8¼ from the end there. And then we found that that gives a pretty nice distance between the two, good stability, and then that's pretty much it. I guess we're gonna have to slap some paint on the wall because we did initially have something hanging there. But overall, it's fairly sturdy, and as you can see, it hides our TV back there. Eventually, when we want to watch a movie, we simply detach this. So this is a little spring-loaded thing. We detach that, and then we hang it on that one and that one just over to the side. So when we have guests over, we don't have this giant TV staring at everybody. Isn't that a fantastic idea? As for the artwork itself, we got that on Etsy. No trimming at all necessary. We simply match the length of the rail and it fits, covers our entire TV. How cool is that? So I hope that this little demonstration of maybe how to hide your TV worked for you. My name is Beau.